welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya and today it's going to be a makeover video. I love watching and creating makeover videos. They are my favorite kinds. And what about you guys? Do you like DIY videos more or do you like makeover videos more? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'd really like to know. And today we are making over my entryway, which was actually long pending like any other place in my home. There are going to be some DIYs and decor tips throughout this video. So please watch it till the end and let's get started. So let me first show you how my entryway looks like before. It's basically a very small entryway and बस एक ये wall है जिसमें scope है कुछ करने का. If you saw my last video, I created a faux shiplap on this wall using a very easy technique, and that literally turned this wall into something else. Now let's get you inside. Here you get the view of my living room slash dining room slash hallway, and the entryway stretches up to this door, and that's it. Well, we gotta hide this bad boy over here because it looks really ugly. Also, since this space is really small, I want to keep it minimal. Do you see this paint? I mean, I don't know who painted this, but he did not do the right job. Even on the door, if you see, there is paint all over. Look at this. It's not nice and it's very, very unprofessional, whosoever did this. But I have to first fix this. Power of the perfect edges. Well, it's not perfect because I'm not a pro, but then it is much better than before, so we'll make do. Now, since we created a faux shiplap here already, the theme is going to be black and white. I had this mithai dabbas with me. These are pretty sturdy and thick. I started with spray painting them black from the sides. Then I took a sheet of paper and cut it in exact same size as the box. Here I am just sticking the sheet on top of the box. Then I took another mithai ka dabba. This one is a little leaner in shape. I spray painted it fully in black color. And for this is to have this kind of configuration. Something like this. So let's first put something on each of them. You might remember this tape from my last video. I used it on the wall to create a shiplap effect. I am again using this tape to create a border here. Then I'm taking this wreath and this burlap lace that I got from Amazon, which will be linked down below of course, and I'm just going to stick it like this. Now taking the black one, I had this, what do you call these? Well, I don't know what you call them, but we use it to serve or to decorate. I am just going to stick it in the center of this black one, and then I am using these flowers, which by the way I love, and I'm just going to stick it all like this. Look how polished it looks. This can be a great substitute for canvases or even photo frames. Here I am just going to write a little something with a black marker. You can of course use canvases here if you want, but I kind of wanted to show you the sasta way to do this. If you don't want to spend the money, I feel that these kind of dabbas can come in really handy, and they do look nice if you paint them or maybe stick a wallpaper on them. DIY, I took this bamboo stick. I love the fact that it is not straight and looks really organic. Here I am just sticking the jute rope around the stick. You can choose to skip this step or maybe stick the rope in some pattern, like here I left some gaps in between. Here I made bunch of tassels. How to make a tassel? Let me show you how to. I am just hanging the tassels one by one on the stick, and that's all for this DIY. One little tip that I have been using a lot: if you have a canvas and you want to reuse it, well, my canvas here is a blank one with a plastic on, but at this point I have not decided what I will paint on it, so I am using a sheet. I had just drawn a modern line drawing on it, and I used blue tack and double-sided tape. I'm just going to stick it on top of the canvas, and now the canvas looks like a frame. And whenever I'm bored with the line drawing, I can replace it with another at any point of time, so that's a win. This one will definitely do a good job in hiding that electric board. Made a little loop behind to hang these. Of your house. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye bye.